Alright guys, we got the Csx L191-14 westbound mixed freight train. Today we celebrated in honor to my cousin Melissa Arbigas. She be turned 20, I'm not sure how old is she though. So let's give it a horn salute for a train to my birthday cousin Melissa Arbigas to see how quality is on this one. So let's check it out. Here we go, folks. I think it's gonna blast the train horn. Oh no! Headed straight for me! Squeaked Josh Ryan said. Hey yo! Enjoy your birthday moment there, Josh! Woo-hoo-hoo! 2193! 103! 438! 430! 743! 2795! That's the last shuffle. I've never seen it before. Get back, Jess. Enjoy your birthday moment there, cousin Melissa Arbigas. Happy birthday, buddy. Alright, let's just keep it watching. The train won't last long, man. Time's going out. And there you have it. Assembled on the train to Csx L191-14 westbound mixed freight train that originates from the Grafton, West Virginia Grafton Yard, heads west to Parkersburg, West Virginia, where it terminates at the Parkersburg Yard on this Tuesday, January 14th, 2025 for Josh on my YouTube channel. Alright, here comes the next video. Roll 'em.